Cooking with Snowbikes, episode 2, 2026 season. What you got there? Some potatoes.
A bucket of potatoes.
Need some fucking
We're gonna hang out with a bunch of those today.
Yeah, there's gonna be some
Look,
potatoes.
there's Cody right on top.
Hey Cody, what's going on up there?
Just building the sleds, get ready to kick your ass.
Brother.
It's not even turning.
Hey Cody! Can't park there! Paradise. Woo! Oops. Yeah, we're out here cooking with Snowbikes and other things. Look at this beautiful day. We're gonna do some mini sausages and potatoes.
I'll give you a mini sausage and potatoes.
You know, it takes, it's about an hour. Might be a little bit longer today because we're having so much fun. And we're heading to Turbo Creek or Shit Creek, or we're gonna get stuck. It's gonna be a good time. Yeah. Hey Cody. Cody.
Surprises.
I got a surprise for you. Fucking some mini wieners. Mini sausages.
Your card's right, Jeff. Cody will give you one of those too.
Oh, here we go. Come on, get in here.
Yeah, potatoes.
Got some potatoes, some mini sausages.
It's like a little Polaris
Steaming. Look at that.
Snowbike stew.
Hey, don't touch mine. You want
Sword fight. Yes.
You want one?
Look for it.
He knows what I
You want one?
Cleaners in the hole as well.
Oh, they're nice and toasty warm.
I don't care how gay it looks, man. This is great.
Thanks, brother.
No problem, buddy.
Hi, Derek. What are you doing?
Fixing a frog skin.
Oh, you broke some stuff, did you?
Yep.
What'd you do? Oh, stuck in some down trees here. Earned yourself.
McGurr, third attempt.
I tried, man. I was wide open, like wide open. Hit this as hard as I could, but there's a lot of snow in here. Like a lot of snow.
I thought third time was going to be a charm. I believed in you.
I tried, buddy.
That's fucking hilarious. Like, the bike's in the exact same position as ever.
What was that, Cody? Say that again.
The bike's in the exact same position. Couldn't have been like more. You guys hear me?
Third year in a row, same spot.
I got a hat trick.
Derek, he's stuck exact same spot.
Hold on. I gotta take your fucking third video.
Fuck yeah. Hey, Jeff! Can't park there!
Oh, shit. Oh. Oh. He's okay. Hey! I got that on video.
Haha! That's 3 in the creek. Yeah.
I just said I was gonna do that.
Hey, McGurr, a little post-swim interview.
And we're back with another segment of Cooking with Snowbikes. We've been in the creek, upside down in the creek, every which way in the creek, face first in the creek. I think I saw a salmon, but now it's time to eat some delicious... Oh, these are hot. As expected. Delicious... Oh, there's crispy on this. Oh, they might be a little steamed. They are a little steamed. You can have the one with the crispy on it, buddy.
Wow, buddy. That's gourmet right there.
Yeah, look at this.
How is it, Jeff?
Well, she's a little soggy, but that's kind of my fault.
It's okay.
Going in the creek 5 times.
It's good for you. Woo!
Cooking with Snowbikes. It's nice and hot.
Bad snow bike.